Want to feature a clip of someone else's TikTok video in your own post? The Stitch feature is for you. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Stitch feature on TikTok. Now let's get started. To use the Stitch feature on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to the video you want to use a clip from. This can be one of your own videos or a video posted by another user. Then tap the Share button on the right. In the menu that appears, select Stitch. Choose the clip you want to use from their video. Your stitched clip can be up to 5 seconds long. Once you've selected the clip you want to use, tap Next. Now you can record your own portion of your video that will play after the clip you've selected to stitch. You can select 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 10 minutes as the maximum recording duration. Record your TikTok video as you normally would. Note that you can only record using the in-app camera when stitching someone else's video. You cannot upload clips from your device. When you're done recording, tap the check mark to continue to edit your TikTok video. Tap Next when you're done. When you get to the posting stage, you'll see that the video you've stitched will already be tagged automatically. Add a caption for your post and configure your post settings. Then tap Post to share it. When people watch your TikTok post, they can tap the name of the original creator in the caption to watch the full video you stitched a clip from. That's all it takes to use the Stitch feature on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.